Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening Phone Manager. So this app is pre-installed by your device, by your developer actually. So for sure you've got one, just find it and then tap on it. Give all the permissions it needs, if it needs, and then simply tap on Viruses and Risks. Then let's tap on Scan again, or Scan if you're doing it for the very first time, and now your device will scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses, malware, or any kind of problems, like for example the software update which should be completed, etc. And after the full scan, your device will show you the results and some tips, or it will basically guide you through the steps which you should take in order to get rid of the risks. So I highly recommend to be patient here and wait until the scan will be completed, because thanks to it you will be able to simply be sure that everything is all right. As you can see, it might take a while, but it's good to be patient here. As you can see, you've got also recommended optimization, so your device will tell you what you can do in order to optimize it. So the storage cleanup, system boosts, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.